Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyoto-kan. I'm Ryusei. Today, I'm going to show you how to make smashed sweet red bean paste. In Japan, this red bean paste is called tubuan. Tubuan is the base for many Japanese sweets, Wagashi. It's pretty important. In the future, I'll introduce lots of Wagashi. So this knowledge will be essential part of making and enjoying Wagashi. Yes, let's go! These are beautiful red beans. In Japan, they are famous from Hokkaido. First of all, I get rid of some beans which are hard and broken carefully, which helps us to cook nice smooth texture of red bean paste. Okay, please look, I removed them. Please remove these kinds of beans. Next, I'm going to rinse red beans in the ample water. I add them to the bowl and stir lightly, and then drain in a sieve. Good. I transfer red beans to a big pot and add water to the half point. It's very important to keep the pot half empty because I'm going to add more water after that. Turn on the heat. When it begins to boil, stir gently. Then I heat it until the red beans start to wrinkle for a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to scoop red beans. Good, like this. And then I add plenty water to lower the water temperature to below 50 degrees. It helps the beans fully absorb water inside and cook them evenly. It's 45.2 degrees. Then turn up the heat. Once it boils, turn down the heat again. I heat them until the beans swell to twice the size of the raw red beans. I'm going to take up some beans. Please look at these. Almost the beans are enough swollen. Left one is a raw bean, and the right one is a cooked bean. Okay, drain the sieve and shower beans to wash away tannins. Stir gently. Then I return the beans to the pot. And add plenty of water. I heat them until they become soft for about 40 to 50 minutes. Once it boils, skim off the foam. Then, turn down to medium-low. Heat them gently, not to smash the beans. 30 minutes later, once the water evaporates, I add water again to cover beans and heat them for more 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I check that the beans are well cooked. Good. The key is to boil the beans until they break down easily. Okay, and drain a sieve and shower the beans again. Okay, I'm ready to simmer the beans with syrup. Let's make syrup. I recommend to use a big pot because we can stir them comfortably. I add 180 grams sugar and 200 grams water. Then, I heat it until the sugar is completely melted. Stir lightly. Okay. Then I return the beans to the pot and stir lightly, not to smash them. I simmer them until most of the water is gone. Occasionally I stir them and simmer them down. Yes, most of the water is gone. I've almost done. I keep stirring them to avoid burning. Once the beans are just about to reach desired texture, turn off the heat. Okay, done. I transfer them to a container to cool. The smell is nice sweet. Then, I cover with clean wet cloth to avoid drying. It's important. Once it becomes cool, I divide into several pieces. Today, I got a total of 750 grams of tubuan. Tubuan is red bean paste. I usually divide into 150 to 200 grams each. Okay, you can keep for 1 week in the fridge and 1 month in the freezer. Done. Thank you. How was it? Today I've introduced about Wagashi first time. Red bean paste is one of the most important part of Wagashi. Actually, every Wagashi story has own way and proud of own red bean paste. Next video, I'll introduce Wagashi recipe and I will use this tubuan. I'm very happy I'll introduce our beautiful culture, Wagashi. I hope you will enjoy next video too. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.